Inspired and designed with the same unrelenting devotion to performance and style as the premium Deco series, the Avalon and Tahoe A series will surprise you and delight you with its unbeatable innovation and affordability. It is easily the most elegant and enjoyable entry-level pontoon on the market today, with sophisticated looks and outstanding performance. A series has solid structure including 8.5-foot width, large 25-inch pontoons, and heavy-duty deck rail with bumper. The plush interior furnishings are made with Matrix 50 vinyl and aluminum flow-through frames. Catalina also features a beautiful fiberglass driver's helm with Bluetooth stereo and a comfortable driver's chair. A series lifetime structure features heavy-duty hat-channel crossbeams, full-length solid aluminum riser, and integrated pontoon and splash fin assembly. Look closely at A series, and you'll discover the most affordable, superbly designed, entry-level pontoon in the industry. Find your secret spot with Avalon and Tahoe A series.